Okay, so very exciting day at the shop. It's Monday, November 1st. We have possession of the shop finally, so we're proud new owners. So with that, we're doing a couple renovations. The office was one of those. Now, let's wait for that sound. Next on the list for winter is getting our lot graded. Frank drives a Jetta and it pretty much bottoms out coming to work, so it was time. And then we're getting some new gravel. Graveling! Okay, so the grading is done, I think, and now they're pouring some gravel. Hey guys, we are back for another week at the shop. Outside we did a little bit of grading and some new gravel. The road was terrible before. What else do we got this week? Laurie is working on a few of our next projects. So he handles all of our 2D layouts, all the design work with the clients right now. Who are you working on, Aaron's?
Aaron's right now, 28-foot bus.
Okay, so we've got a 28-foot bus coming in. We've got a van that's been designed and it's just getting its renders done. And then I'm finalizing a 40-foot bus's renders. So maybe I'll show those off a bit. Okay, in the shop, we have 3 projects going on right now, those same 3 buses. So that's Rooster, Sully, and Gandalf. Are we still calling it Gandalf?
Yeah.
I think this week's just gonna be a catch-up week. We've got so much going on. I think I'm gonna give you guys a good tour of the shop, tour of the projects, and you can kind of see where each bus is at. Switch to measuring 5 times. No. Okay, so you are looking at the entertainment area. There's also going to be a desk, a butcher block here to be able to eat at, look out the window, do just about anything. Right across from this entertainment area is where the couch is. So the boys have put some nice protectant wrap on this because it is extremely high gloss. Cabinets are in. Okay, so we got overheads. This is gonna have a range hood. This is the oven here. Going to be the oven. Big upper, big corner cabinet, huge custom sink. That thing's funky. And this is a dishwasher going there. Okay, so this is the office. It's been done for a little while now. There has been a slight change. The shelving is installed. Pine shelving with a nice lip, so nothing's falling out. And then same thing on this side. Look at that. Okay, so this is Rooster's bathroom. Right here we've got the shower with our stainless surround. Basically just a curtain has to be added there. This is a compost toilet. Or wait. No, I lied. This is a flush toilet in here. And right across from the toilet is the laundry machine. So we got washer, dryer, just a great little unit. Okay, so that is it for the tour in Rooster today. It's really coming together. Boys are doing a great job. Hopefully Ronnie and Ted absolutely love this unit. I'm actually not sure what's next on this. I think we're waiting for countertops. I'll update you guys if anything else happens this week. What would you rate this install?
Like an
Skill 1 to 10.
10 being what?
10 being very difficult.
I'd say it's a 3.
Okay, a pretty easy install.
That's what I do at Red Swan too. Oh, can I grab a couple of sauces too?
Yo! Grab the leather chair. Okay, I'm keeping these pretty dang short today.
Yeah, I don't have much.
Yeah, how's the month been? Okay, so we started the week with some exterior yard work, shop renos, things like that. That's done, it looks awesome. Yesterday I went over some, what did I go over? Yesterday I went over Rooster's cabinets, showed off some of those. A lot of cool things actually going on in Rooster right now. I'm gonna show off a few more projects. There's a funky shelf going in, made with some copper. Hey John, keep talking. Other than Rooster, I think we're gonna hop over into Gandalf. I just got sent a picture yesterday. I was in Saskatoon and it is looking incredible. Don't worry about me. Logan gets shy on the camera.
The dogs want in.
Oh hey! Hello!
The water's boiling. Hello!
Okay, so we are popping into Gandalf first. I'll go back into Ronnie's. I'll go back into Rooster to show off that shelf progress. This build is insane. Look at that couch. Frankie got all the lights wired up. That's the picture he sent me yesterday. We've got a custom grill right there.
Center that in between, as centered as possible after the fact.
What do you think, Christian?
What? I don't know. I think this
Happy with
looks
the
good.
progress?
Yeah, it looks good.
Progress.
Progress.
Okay, so I'm just gonna point out a few of our furniture features here. So other than the kitchen cabinets that we contract out, we do all of our in-house furniture. So couches, bunk beds, master beds, things like that. We use Baltic birch plywood and then we laminate both sides. There's a little peek. Okay, so all under this is some of the heater accessories. That can be removed to service. Other than that, it just looks very cool. So this is kind of the start of our in-house catalog that we'll be offering to clients, maybe as a DIY sale, flat pack, possibly. Basically, Christian takes a concept. A lot of times he's designing it right from the get-go too. This is one of our couches we've come up with. This does turn into a bed. I'm gonna show you that later. Okay, now big change in Gandalf here is all of the trim work. It's incredible. So this is a stained pine, I believe. We got these bulkheads running throughout the bus, both sides. I don't know if you guys noticed these little scarf joints here. Christian used to be a log home builder. He's taken this premise from that field. So this type of pattern here, a lot more visually appealing than a flat line. So instead of just butting up two joints and having an ugly line here, we've got a unique little joint. What that does is, you see how long this piece is? The expansion on, if this was to be one piece of wood, would be huge. So this allows for some movement and it looks incredible. Okay, so you guys are about to see the back of the bus. Obviously this is the front. This is kitchen, living room, forward. Very different vibe up front than in the back. So the whole goal with the back is you wanted kind of that studio bachelor feel with the charcoal woods. I think we nailed it. The boys did an incredible job. This wood looks awesome against the charcoal. Okay, so this little area here, this is the vanity. Just push me out of the way, Lori.
Oh no, you're good.
This side is, I believe, wardrobes to the ceiling, some storage. And then right here, you can see where our toilet's gonna go. That's our compost vent right there. Okay. Okay, so here's a look at some more of our in-house furniture. This is the master bed. I believe this one's a queen. So Christian has worked with our CNC files and designed this bed that is lightweight. That's with all these breathable holes here, and it's also gonna allow for the mattress to breathe so you don't get any mold. Underneath this unit, we've got a massive, I believe, 450 liter water tank. A lot of storage right below, and then we'll also have some of the heating and plumbing going all through here with panels. Show you this stuff. So the access for the electrical, that's gonna be right here. Ben, the client, is also getting a laundry machine in here, so that's gonna go right there. That's the hookups. Drain stack goes right in the middle. Gee,
Yes,
how's that copper shelf doing?
that's good. Missing some copper.
I'm gonna go into Rona.
A run?
I'm gonna be running to Rona to get parts to finish my vessel sink.